Hello and welcome back to the training. So in this video, what I will walk you through step by step is going to be how you can create your Google theme so you can upload it into the Google Developer Dashboard. All right, so what we're going to be utilizing inside of this training is going to be the tool called themebeta.com/Chrome Theme Creator Online. Now, in the resource file, the text and PDF, you will find the URL to this particular tool. Now, what you're going to need for this tool is going to be definitely a keyword that you want to rank and that you want to win. Now, for this particular training, what I decided to go after is local SEO packages. Let me give you some insight of why I chose this particular keyword. When you come inside of SEMrush or Ahrefs or whatever tool you've decided to utilize, you want to find something that is medium to low competition. And here's why. I went ahead and I tested this particular strategy with a very high competition, hard and very hard keyword, and I was able to instantly index. However, it's page 4 for the primary keyword. Now, with that being said, I have seen at least 4 instances where people had easy to medium keywords and they instantly ranked within 30 days. So what we want to aim for is going to be keyword difficulty scores inside of SEMrush 35 or less. For me, I have chosen this keyword here because it has a nice amount of volume, 1,300 visitors a month. It's got $10, it's a $10 keyword. People are betting on this keyword. And of course, it fits into the business that I own and operate. So local SEO packages. Perfect. So that's exactly what we're going to name the theme, a keyword that we want to win easily. Right? So local SEO packages. So that's how we came to the realization of local SEO packages. And that's exactly what we're going to name our theme. So once you grab the keyword and you've made your decision on the keyword you want to target, you go ahead and you put that right here inside of the theme beta builder. All right. So for me, I wrote local SEO packages. The next step that you will want to do is click this button right here and click upload an image. The image that you're looking at here, this beautiful photo of myself, I actually utilized a tool called PicMonkey. PicMonkey is a paid service. It's a very inexpensive service, but this is what I utilize in order to make my thumbnails for YouTube. All right. So PicMonkey, I was able to create an image that was 1200 by 720. So it's a high resolution image, very easy to create. And what I did is I uploaded it utilizing this button right here. You click upload, and then you add the image, just like this. So you upload, go to your images that you've created. I made the image name the primary keyword. I click the button, I click open, and then the next thing that you want to do is, depending on how the photo looks, you might want to do custom, you might want to do normal size, you may even want to do full screen, but for me it's going to be fit to screen. All right, we're going to center it, and then let's go top. That looks even better. No repeat. Let's do a repeat. Let's do multiple. And no repeats. All right, so that's going to be, the scale is 1.26, so that looks really good. Yep, yeah, 1 point. That's going to be perfect. All right, now the very next step, and you need to make some extra modifications. This way the theme will get accepted. There has to be some uniqueness to the theme. So what I went ahead and did is I went in here and I added some different colors. I added some background colors. You can choose the colors that you like, and that's going to be in this section under colors. There's also images. You can upload background images. You can add toolbar images. You can add frame images. You can do whatever you want. Just make the theme unique as possible. But no matter what, you have to have an image and at least change the colors. All right, so definitely take care of that. The very next step is you will want to, after adding all of the details, you'll want to click on this button that says pack. All right, so once you click on the pack button, the next step is going to be click on pack and download zip file. All right, so pack and download zip file. So that's what we're going to do here. All right, now Generally, I would change this, but I think there was a little issue with that, so you might want to keep that file the same. And what we're going to do in the very next video is I'll share with you how you can upload this and start getting these themes accepted by Google. But that's going to wrap up the creation of the actual theme utilizing theme beta, and I look forward to seeing you in the next training video.